Hey y'all, what's up? This is Nikki with Nikki Smacks. Today I'm going to do a mukbang for you guys. You know I ain't doing a mukbang in a minute, because I was going through, my hair was not, I had some raggedy ass braids in my hair and I did not want to get on camera looking like that. But anywho, that's irrelevant anyway. So today I got some, I don't know if you can see it, but this is some shrimps that's still in the shell. This is some mussels, and I got some rice, and I got a a Shasta. So, my nose, I already tasted some. My nose, somehow my nose itching. Oh. Anyway, I have put some spicy stuff in here. Not too spicy because me and Spice don't get along. I'm talking, not like spices, but I'm talking about heat. Me and hotness don't get along because my ass will be burning later on. But anywho, I'm about to get in this. Why is my nose itching? Jesus. My mama used to tell me, I guess when your nose is itching, somebody coming to see you, somebody talking about you something, but it's itching. Anyway, okay. I think probably I got some of this pepper in my nose because I put some hot stuff. Anyway, let's get down to business. Y'all miss me? I know I haven't ate nothing in a while, but I'm about to be eating some stuff now forever. More videos or mukbangs. Usually I do shorts and stuff, but I said I'm finna start doing more mukbangs or mukbangs. But anyway, let me open my soda for you guys. Shasta. I don't know why my son brought back home this cheap ass soda, but I'm about to tear it up. I need some water. I need some water. It's so good. I don't know what to call this. I just put some stuff together. I was just making up some stuff, and this is a shrimp, and that's the spinach on it. I was just making up some stuff, you guys, so bear with me. That's spicy. Let me open up my napkin. I did not grab nothing to put my shells on. I'm gonna put my napkin. I'm eating on my couch. It's so good. I love keeping the shells on my shrimp because it keeps the flavor inside. I don't know. Keeps the flavor inside. I think I need some more juice. It's so good. How y'all doing on this evening? What's today? I think it's Wednesday. Wednesday. If y'all don't like smacking and burping, I suggest y'all get off my channel. Cause I'm all the above. I'm all the above. I don't know what the hell wrong with my dog. Her ass wanna start barking every time I start recording. She probably know. She smelled me cooking this good food. She like, give me some. But I fed them real good before. Look at that. Before I made my plate. Get. Goddamn fly. Fly trying to get in my video and shit. Look at that. That was good. That burp didn't sound cute. Oh well, this is shrimp and a couple of rice on it. How y'all been doing? I've been good. I've been good. I've been good. You know, just going through trials and tribulations and stuff. But besides that, I'm straight. I'm Gucci. This is so good. Super good. Do y'all like, comment down below. Y'all like y'all shells on y'all shrimps? I just think it holds so much flavor inside. Yeah, it do. I'm trying to open this. Oh, I can't. I can't open that. I'll go to the next one. Go to the next one. I think I should have put more juice in there, but I didn't want to take all the juice from everybody. I should have made more juice. Look, y'all. Like that. Oh, how good. Little scooper. Scooper duper. This is so good. Super juicy. Spicy, but it ain't all that spicy, you know. It ain't too spicy where it would make me sick, but it got a little kick to it. These supposed to be some jumbo shrimps. Ain't no damn jumbo shrimps as soon as you cook them. You got these dang shrimps. Look at that. Damn, why did I get these dang mussels that's closed? Dang, I can't even freaking open them. Got it. Got it, got it, got it. Got it. What y'all eating today? Did y'all cook? See, I don't be doing mukbang so much because I be thinking y'all be wanting fast food. I can't eat fast food every day. It's not good for you, but even if it's not fast food, even when I cook something, I'm just going and eat for you guys. You know, don't be expecting me to eat a lot of fast food because I ain't gonna do that, but I cook every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. Boop. I'm having a party in my mouth. It's so good. This is freaking good. And I got a fork and I ain't even using it. I got the little handmade scooper. I got a muscle scooper, spoon scooper. Y'all, this is good. I put it on my video how I made it. It's so good. This is really, really good. This is a shrimp. Damn spinach is stuck in my braces. think I'm gonna scoop that again. Think I'm gonna do that again. Think I'm gonna do that again. It's right. Oh, that's spicy. It's rice and spinach, and I had put some onions in it, and some sriracha sauce, and mussels. Excuse me. It's so, oh shoot. That's so good. Yep. With some rice right here. All right, let's shout, mama. And I got 2 mussels that I cannot open. Freaking. What the mess? What the freak? Oh, come on. Y'all, I am having a hard time with that damn mussel. Ooh, I got a kick to him. And some rice with that seafood juice. So good. Woo! I'm so mad about this mussel. And I damn sure can't bite it. Got braces. Oh shit. I ain't do that no more. I ain't doing that no more. Break my damn braces. Look, you guys, I can't get it out. This thing don't want to come out. Like, no, don't eat me. Don't eat me. I want to eat you. B5O. I'm trying to get the clam, but it's acting dumb. I'm a poet, and I didn't even know it. Y'all, dang, I really cannot open this. Excuse me. Well, here it go, right here, a little spot. Here it go. Damn it. Nope. Dude. Yeah, I can't even open these clams. Can't even open them. And I'm frustrated. Mr.'s rice. It's inside the juice. It's so good. Look. Rice and spinach. I'm mad about that clam. No, that's not a clam. That mussel. I'm like, are they clams? No, they mussels. Mm. It's so good. Use the little clam thing so I can get the juice. Yeah. You know what? It ain't nothing better than a home cooked meal. For real. It's just, you know what you're putting in it. You know you didn't clean yourself, hands and all that. You don't know what other people doing. I'm not saying I don't eat out, but I'd rather have a home cooked meal. Okay. Them damn dogs doing something back there. Them dogs are doing something. I'm so mad about them last clams. Man, damn. That's so nothing but rice. So good. So delicious. This is so good. Alrighty. Y'all want a bite? Y'all want the last bite? Let me put it in the camera. Bam, 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 bam. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Eat the muscles out of me. No. You know, Tina Turner passed away. You know, bless the lady of rock and roll. She passed on today, you know. Tribute, Tina Turner. But anyway, I just run over here when I heard said that eat the cake anime. You know, remind me of that movie. It's so good. I am full now. Damn, I wanted that last clam. That was good. Oh, I need some water. Whew. I am full. That was good. That was my dinner for tonight. If you guys want to see how I made it, I had posted I'll post up the video on how I made it and everything. And I will be doing more mukbangs for you guys. Because I know y'all be wanting to see me smack on some stuff. But anyhow, if you guys like this, oh shit, excuse me. I dropped my fork. Excuse me. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, please give me a thumbs down, thumbs up. But guess what? If you give me a thumbs down, I know you watched it. So anywho, thank you. This is Nikki Smacks. Smacking my way to the top. Not for real. But anyway, you guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.